To this part, one methyl group, that is methyl. We can get the methyl alcohol, CH3OH. Remaining, how many carbons? 2 carbons. CH3, CH2OH. Okay, so CH3, it is converted to CH3OH. 1 hydrogen atom is required. So here CH3, CH2OH. So here 3 hydrogen atoms are required. Totally 4 hydrogen atoms are required. So this is taken as a methyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol mixture we can get. This is the reaction of ester reaction. So esters is also undergoes reduction. We can get the alcohol mixture. So easy to remember here, in the case of any type of ester, which alkyl group is attached to oxygen, that alkyl group, one type of alcohol, remaining total part, it is taken as another alcohol, this one. So in the case of reduction reactions, so firstly we can discuss about the aldehydes, ketones, next one carboxylic acids, next one ester reduction reactions. So last preparation method for the alcohol, very important reaction. Okay, so next Grignard reagent. Next, 7th preparation method. So by using Grignard reagent, what is the meaning of Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent, already we discussed it in preparation methods. RMgX. R is the alkyl group, Mg is the magnesium, X is the halogen atom. Grignard reagent formula, this one. So here in this Grignard reagent, listen, R charge is -1, magnesium second A group elements, that's why always +2, X is -1. You should remember these charges, very important. So R minus, alkyl group, what is the example? For example, CH3 MgBr. This is one type of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means alkyl group is there, R, Mg magnesium is there, Mg halogen atom Br, X is there. What is the charge? Charge is important. So alkyl group charge, very important. This is negative charge. Magnesium positive charge. This is total. Okay, Mg +2, Br minus. So 2 +2 -2 charges are equal, neutral charge. Okay, so this is, what is this name? Methyl magnesium bromide generally. So this Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compounds to form addition product. So that addition product involved in hydrolysis, we are getting the alcohol. This one. Okay, now we discuss about the statement and general statement, general reaction. Next, afterwards we will go to the example. We will go to the examples like that. Okay, so in the case of this reaction, so what is the general statement? General statement now we discuss. What is this one? Grignard reagent, that means simply RMgX react with carbonyl compounds. What are those? Aldehydes, ketones. to form addition product. Startingly we can get addition product. This addition product it is involved in which is involved in hydrolysis, which is involved in hydrolysis with water. Hydrolysis with water in the presence of HCl. In the presence of HCl. HCl gives, finally it will gives alcohols. Will give alcohol. This one. This is the statement. So according to this statement, now we can write the reaction. If you know the one reaction mechanism, nothing but mechanism, how to write the product, the remaining examples is also same procedure. That's why listen carefully. So what is the first we are taking RMGX. So in this RMGX, what is the positive, what is the negative? First we can mention positive, which is positive, which is negative. R is always negative, magnesium is positive. Yes or no? So it is interact with carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds means maybe alcohol, maybe aldehyde or ketone. Suppose aldehyde we are taking. Carbonyl compounds. So that is aldehyde. That aldehyde R bond C, double bond O, bond H. This is aldehyde. Carbonyl compound. This is Grignard reagent. This one. So what is the addition product? Now we can write. So in this aldehyde, whenever this RMGX is added to aldehyde, this pi bond will be rotated to oxygen. Then oxygen getting negative, carbon getting positive. Yes or no? So then what we can get, R bond C, actually O minus C plus bond H. Yes or no? Whenever added to each other, in aldehyde is also positive and negative charges are created. Compared to carbon, oxygen is more electronegative. That's why shifted to oxygen. Oxygen getting negative, carbon getting positive. This alkyl group is attached to this positive. This positive charge will be attached to oxygen. Now what we can get? We can get what is this one aldehyde. R is same, carbon, bond, hydrogen is also same. This R minus is attached to C plus. That means here this R is we are taking. Okay. Oxygen. This oxygen is attached to MgX, total this part, because opposite charges. Bond O, MgX. This is addition product. Actually this is addition. So addition product. So according to statement, whenever RMGX react with carbonyl aldehyde, we can get the addition product. This is involved in hydrolysis. Means water in presence of HCl. So here what happened means, in this addition product, this part will be broken. Here hydrogen OH group is attached to here. We can get R bond C, remaining CH bond R. Okay, understood? R bond CH bond R bond. Whenever we are added to water, this bond will be broken. OH RMGX OH. OH we can get, plus byproduct. What is the byproduct? So this is the alcohol. What type of alcohol? Secondary alcohol. Plus, what is the byproduct? MgXOH byproduct. This is byproduct actually. Byproduct. So this is the main product. This is main product, secondary alcohol. If you remember this one, the remaining reactions is also similar to manner. Okay. So in this case, we will go to the next reaction. So now we discuss about the example. What is the example? This one. So without a statement, directly we can take reactions by using this one. So first we are taking the formaldehyde. What is the formaldehyde? Starting only we discussed it. The first aldehyde is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. So formaldehyde. So react with RMGX. Formaldehyde react with RMGX. RMGX means we are taking CH3MgBr. What is this name? Methyl magnesium bromide. Magnesium bromide. So what happened in this case? So here two parts are there. First you identify the positive, negative. Here what is the positive? This part is positive, this part is negative. Here what is the positive, what is the negative? So directly we can write addition product. That's why this pi bond will be rotated oxygen. Oxygen getting negative. This negative part is attached to positive. Carbon getting positive. This is attached to negative. That means this CH3 group is attached to this carbon. Then what to do? What happen? So in this case, we are getting the H. Yes or no? H. As it is carbon. H already is there. So this carbon is attached to this one. That's why it is CH3 is attached. Next bond O. It is attached to MgBr. OMgBr. This is the addition product. This is addition. Product. So again it is involved in undergoes hydrolysis H2O in presence of acid HCl. So in this case where the bond will be broken, this bond will be broken. Here H, here OH group is attached. What is the final product? So H bond C bond H bond CH3 bond OH plus what is the byproduct? So MgBr OH. MgBr OH. So this name, this is also taken as CH3, yes or no? CH2 OH. This name is ethyl alcohol. ethyl alcohol. This is the reaction about the formaldehyde. So formaldehyde react with methyl magnesium bromide. We can get to form addition product which is involved in hydrolysis with water in the presence of HCl to form ethyl alcohol. That is the statement. So whenever you write in main notes, first you write the statement, next you write the reaction. That's one. So next, same mechanism. Suppose if you take one more aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, for example. So acetaldehyde, what is the formula for acetaldehyde? Yes or no? Acetaldehyde plus methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. So here two parts are there, positive part, negative part. Here also two parts are there, oxygen getting negative, carbon getting positive. So that's why this negative charge, carbon getting positive, that's why this is attached to this one. This is attached to oxygen. What we can get? So in this case, we will write CH3 as it is, C bond H bond. This CH3 is attached. Pi bond will be removed. Bond O MgBr. MgBr. So in this case, we can take this one, addition product. This is addition product. According to statement, involved in hydrolysis in presence of HCl, that means acid H plus. So here bond will be broken. So we can get the product CH3 same, C, here CH3 same, here H is there, yes or no? H is there. On that carbon H, OH is there, plus Mg Br OH. So this is the byproduct, this is the main product, this is isopropyl alcohol. What is this name? Isopropyl alcohol. This is secondary alcohol we can get. So this name is isopropyl alcohol. Already we know in previous lecture. So this one. So this is the Grignard reagent. This is the complete mechanism, very easy to understand. Once you understand this mechanism, remaining reactions are very, very easy. Okay, so whenever you write these examples, must and should you include the statements. That's why we can mention the names also. By using this name, by using this main statement, you write the statement of these examples. Okay, next ketones. Next ketone is also react with RMGX. Ketone is also react with RMGX. So same mechanism we will follow. Same mechanism. In the case of this one, okay, so this is the mechanism. In the case of another C example, ketone. What is the ketone example? CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3. What is this name? Acetone. So acetone react with methyl magnesium bromide. Acetone react with methyl magnesium bromide. In the case of methyl, what is this name? Methyl magnesium bromide. So here negative, positive. Sir, no. So here this pi bond will be rotated on oxygen. Oxygen getting negative, carbon getting positive. Carbon getting positive. So this negative is attached to this carbon. What is the C bond O bond CH3 bond CH3 O Mg Br. This is the addition product. This is addition product. This is addition product. In the case of this addition product, it is involved in hydrolysis. Here bond will be broken, OH attached. So we can get the final product. What is the final product? Same, CH3 bond C bond OH bond CH3 bond CH3. This is the final product. What type of alcohol? Primary or secondary or tertiary? This is the tertiary alcohol. What is this name? This is the main chain, second carbon, 2 methyl. So 2 prop 2 volt. Prop 2 volt. This is the reaction. So for this reaction, just we will write the statement. So generally by using acetone, directly we can write acetone react with methyl magnesium bromide to form addition product. Which is involved in hydrolysis in presence of acid, in presence of HCl to form 2-methyl prop 2-vol in bracket tertiary alcohol. This one. This is the statement. So aldehydes and ketones both are interact with RMGX Grignard reagent to form corresponding alcohols. So these are the preparation methods of alcohols. Alcohol preparation methods. So in this case, these two reactions, you should write the statements for these two examples also. So once again recall this topic. So firstly, we are taken as reduction reaction. What is the basic information about the reduction reaction? This is the basic information. Yes or no? This is the basic information. Reduction, carbonyl compound, reduction definition, carbonyl compound, aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so here what type of reducing agents? Or 4 types of reducing agent: nickel, lithium, aluminum hydride, sodium ethyl alcohol, name NaBH4, name sodium borohydride. This one. So next, aldehydes are reduced to alcohol by the addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel platinum palladium. Pi bond remove, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached, we can get the alcohol. So similarly, example, acetaldehyde example, ketone, general reaction. So ketones is also same, pi bond remove, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached, we can get the secondary alcohol. Here primary alcohol, here secondary alcohol. These points, primary, secondary, these points are very useful for competitive track. So next aldehydes. Next we will go to the next one, fourth reaction. Aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol by using reducing agent like other reducing agents. So here also we can get primary alcohol in the case of aldehyde. So ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol by using other reducing agents. So next, carboxylic acids. So in the case of carboxylic acid undergoes reduction only with LiAlH4 because this is the strong reducing agent. We can get primary alcohol. Example, acetic acid, ethyl alcohol we can get. So by the reduction of esters, ester, R bond C, double bond O R dash. Example, methyl ethanoate. Here bond will be broken. This is one type of alcohol, remaining part on another type of alcohol mixture we can get LiAlH4. So next we will go to the by using Grignard reagent. In the case of Grignard reagent means RMgX, two parts are there, negative part, positive part. Here R minus, Mg plus 2, X minus. So X minus, Cl minus is stable because 8 electrons are present in octet configuration. That's why R minus is involved in chemical reaction. So RMgX, general statement, react with carbonyl compounds to form addition product which is involved in hydrolysis with water in the presence of HCl gives alcohol. This is the mechanism. Addition product undergoes water hydrolysis. Here bond will be broken. HOH is attached. MgXOH is eliminated from the main compound. We can get secondary alcohol. So in the case of formaldehyde, this is aldehyde. Only for formaldehyde we can get primary alcohol. Other aldehyde we can get secondary alcohol. This point is important for competitive track. Okay. So ethyl alcohol. Suppose if you want this one, this is primary alcohol. This one, primary alcohol. This one. So next, ketones is also react with RMgX. Ketones. This one, acetone, important. Methyl magnesium bromide, addition product. We can get the 2-methyl prop 2-volt tertiary alcohol. We can get. In the case of RMgX, simply in RMgX, HCHO gives primary alcohol. Next, other aldehydes gives secondary alcohol. So ketones, all types of ketones gives tertiary alcohol. Okay, so H is formaldehyde RMgX, we can get primary alcohol. If we take any other aldehyde, acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, butyraldehyde, we can get secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. This one. What is the name? What is this name? Isopropyl alcohol. This one, isopropyl alcohol. So next one, ketones gives tertiary alcohol. So up to this one, alcohol preparation methods are completed. You practice well. So in next class we discuss about the physical properties.